Hi, I'm Violet Parr, and I'm from the Barr's family. I was a very shy girl and used to use my invisible abilities to hide myself. And now I embrace my uniqueness and I'm willing to help the peoples and protect my families. Hi everyone, my name is Debbie, and now first thing I'm gonna do is hydrating on my face and make sure every accessory is out of your body. And then I'll be using Total Control Drop Primer on my face. This is very important. And then I'll be using foundation. And I'll be using Pale and Light Ivory to make a violet skin color. And now let's move on to the mask part. I'll be using Snazzle's black color and add some waters to make it activate. And make sure that the mask is on the right place on your face. And because you can see on the pictures, the violet's eyebrow is almost disappeared under the mask. So I'll be painting my mask over my eyebrows so it cannot be seen. And now I'll be applying eyeliners on my upper lash line and the waterline. So just paint all the mask black, just like violets do. And here comes the tricky part, the icon of the Incredibles family. So just simply use the white color to outline the icon. It's very easy. And make sure that everything is okay. Then you can go start painting the colors on it. And before painting all over my bodies, I would like to line up the edge to prevent me from hand shaking. Yeah, and make all the mess. After contouring Violet's cheek, and that's fill up all the colors. And asking my friend to fill up the places that I can't reach. Last but not least, paint your hand and do your hairstyle. Ta-da! Here is my version of Violet Parr. Hope you all like it. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow my Instagram.